Okay, it's Monday, January 30th. This is kind of a SPY morning update. It's only a half hour into trading, but I thought I'd just shoot a quick video what developed. So you get the green 15-minute bar above the pre-market highs to start with a little follow through. So there's your buy signal right there. And what you have on the daily chart now is you're kind of coming up to the halfway point of the prior day. So at this point, and you have an opening price right here. Let me actually mark that on the 15-minute chart. This open right here, which is a little bit below the pre-market, highs here. So what you want to do now is kind of monitoring. If you got long here, it's almost an opportunity to scale out and set up a no-risk trade. You want to see if this can follow through on a directional move above the midpoint of the prior day. So that'll kind of signal that you might be getting an outside day back to the upside, and on this weekly chart starting the week might be getting another two up towards its target. That's the bias. But you got to be careful here given that you haven't really crossed the midpoint of the prior day yet. So at this point, you watch it. At this point, you just want to see you're long from here. You want to just see any pullback be nice and orderly, kind of the midway point of this first move up, and then continue higher. And if we can get directional movement to the, to take out the midpoint of yesterday, then the odds are good that you're getting a kind of directional day towards those highs again, which is a really nice trade. As it is right now, it's a nice trade if you bought it here, and you can scale out and kind of, set your stop kind of down at the open of the day, because you don't want to see that taken out. If something fails in here and you really come down and you can't get a kind of a second push up, and then you start testing that open of the day, that would be kind of a failure day to start the week to the downside. So at least we have all our reference points right here, but definitely the market decided to start up here. And if you bought it on the first 15-minute bar, it's some kind of a no-risk trade just to see if we can take out the midpoint of this bar and head towards the highs of Friday. That's kind of what you're monitoring for. And again, keep an eye on that opening price. That's the price. It's kind of the midpoint of that first bar, but in this case, it's right near the open. That's what you don't want to see violated as the session moves on to maintain the bias to the upside.